Welcome back. My name is Shyam, and I'm here to manage your money and grow your wealth. So today we're gonna talk about 13 hacks that you can save a ton of money. So today we're gonna talk about what are those 13 hacks and how you can save using those hacks. So before starting the video, I request you to please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So now let's get started. So this on this board I have pointed out the 13 hacks. So there are the more hacks, but I pointed out the 13 that is the most effective hacks that you can save ton of money. So we just go one by one. The number one is clean your browsing history. So you will get shocked. What is the kind of hacks that I am suggesting? Yeah, so clearing the browsing history. So it's related with saving your money. So you just imagine how it's correlated with saving your money. Yeah, so it will directly relate to your saving money. So once you do any online transaction or you purchase any online goods from the websites, so this website track your data through the cache and memory. So on the next time when you buy the product on the same website, they increase the price of the same goods that you probably be choose or buy from the cheap. So once you buy the price for the certain amounts, though for this company will track your data and they will increase the goods price of the goods for the next time when you purchase those same items or the same or you frequently buy or make the purchases from the same website or the same link that you purchasing. So before purchasing, after making every transaction, please clear your browser data on browser cache and memory so that on the next time the this company will assume that you are the new customer, and for the new customer this company offers some discount, and this company usually gives some discount for the lower prices. So you will get the benefit because of every time if you clear the cache and memory, then every time for this company you are the new customer and you will get the lower prices of the goods. So this is one, clear your browsing history. So second one is uh, lower the brightness on the TV and computer screen. Yeah, so lowering the brightness of the TV and computer screen, it has this use significant amount of benefit that you can save from the light bill. So if you have the higher brightness of your computer or your TV or your laptop, so this will consume the more energy. So you will get the this will consume the more electricity. So you will get the more bills. So in order to save the bills, then you can just reduce your brightness or keep it default. So there is a default setting in every computer or in the TV. So you can just use those default saving and you can save the 40% of your utility bill. So you can save the 40%. So 40% saving a very huge amount just by lowering your brightness of the TV and the computer. So this hacks is very useful to lower your utility bill. Third hack is hack number three: use cash instead of credit card to pay bill. So this hack usually once you buy the purchase or you make the purchase by using the credit card, so you will have the amount of suggestions like in your camera or if you are purchasing from the mobile or the computer screen. So if you purchase from the credit card, then you can have the lot of pop-up option suggestions that you also purchase this one, also purchase this one. So you will get tempted to purchase those buys. So you can probably make the extra buys than you required. So instead that use the cash. So once you have the cash, let's take an example. If you have only $50 in your hand, then you can purchase only the things that you desired most. So you do not make the extra purchase or you do not tempted to do the extra purchase because you have the limited cash in hand. So one of the benefit of using the cash is that you can reduce your temptation of buying and you can reduce your spending on the buying unnecessary thing. So reduce the use of the credit card and start using the cash. So this is the hack number three. Hack number four: build your credit score. So why building the credit score is important. So the benefit of building your credit score is that you can probably have the lower interest rate on your upcoming loan or your current loan. So another benefit is that your insurance and the other, if you taken the insurance or the car insurance, so they also keep the minimum EMI. So based on your credit card. So this credit agency also tracks your credit score. So for your bank interest rate and your insurance minimum insurance EMI, you in order to save, so you can just try to increase your credit score no matter what your credit score is currently. If you have the lower credit score or medium or the high, to maintain it to high and keep always try to make the credit score higher so that you can gain the benefit in the car, in the loan or in the installments of the premiums. So this is the fourth hack. Fifth hack is wait till end of the month to make large purchase. So this hack is very helpful if you want to purchase the whole groceries of every month. So please try wait until the end of the month, because at the end of the month many online grocery shops give the huge discount. So at the end of the month they're trying to finish their sales target. So in order to achieve those sales target, these are start giving the benefit on the discount. So you can have the benefit of the discount, because this sales people of this online companies want to achieve the sales target. So you will probably get the 50% of the benefit or the discount on many items. So you can just save half amount of money than you make the regular purchase. So this is very important. Please make the grocery or the bulk purchase at the end of the month, because at the end of the month you will get the huge discounts. So you can save by the hack number 5. Hack number 6: paint your roof white. Yeah, so this sounds amazing, because what is the relation of the painting the roof how white and saving the money? Yeah, so it is very correlated with your utility bill. So if you normally the traditional houses have the roof that is painted as a black. So what is the disadvantages of painting your roof at the black or non-white colors? So the black color absorbs the more heat. So you will get the, if you are using the ACs in your house, so this AC consumes the more heat and more energy, and you will get the more utility bill. So in order to reduce your utility bill, you can just paint your roof white color. So you can save for the long period of time. So to save the long to save your light bill for the longer amount of time, then just this is the one time activity, just paint your roof white, then you will get the benefit of reduced utility bill. So also the white light will require less brightness, so you can probably have the minimum lighting in your house, so that you can have the better visibility than the dark roof. So this is the hack number 6, the benefit we have discussed. Then the hack number 7: brew your own coffee. So if you have the habits of drinking the coffees, you go probably in the fancy coffee shops and hang out for the moment and drink the coffee. But every cup of the coffee costs you at least $3. So in order to save this $3, you can just brew your coffee at your own home. So you can save at least $0.24 per cup, or probably $1 per cup. So it is a big saving. So if you multiply in the month or year, you can have the more penny of the amount that you can save. So try to brew the coffee on your own house. Uh, then hack number 8: become flexitarian. So what is a flexitarian? So flexitarian is the term that refer to the person that having the flexibility in eating. So he's not preferring for the non-vegetarian or vegetarian food. So he can prefer vegetarian almost. So in order to save the most, you need to choose for the you need to choose to eat vegetarian foods for the most of the time of the month. So you know the price of the beefs and meats is growing day by day. So it's quite become very expensive. So you can just try out on the vegetarian and limit the amount of meat in your diet and consumption. So in that way you can save a huge amount of money for every month. So hack number 9: buy generics. So you know buying the generics is you save the huge amount of money. So if you purchasing the same item from the branded name uh, or the branded shop, so it will cost you more because of the name of that brand. So the ingredient used in the branding clothes or the branding items, that is same used in the ordinary component, that is in the generic products. So there is no difference in the ingredient. So same ingredient is used in the branding name product or the generic name. So only the difference is the brand. So you need to pay the extra amount of money for the brand name. So try to use the generic name, because you will get the same quality and the same benefit because of the ingredient itself. So you can save a huge amount of money just buying the generic items. Hack number 10: buy a water filter. Yeah, so water filter is buying the water filter can save a lot of money. So probably you can imagine that how much you spend to buy the water bottle. So Bisleri or the kind of jar, 20 liter or 10 liter jar, you probably purchase from the market. So instead of that, purchase the water filter. So it is the one time investment, but you can have the two benefits. You can save the money that you are spending on the water bottle, plus you are will become healthy by taking the filter water. So try to buy the water filter and reduce the expenses of on the water bottle that you purchase from the retail shop. Then hack number 11, exercise daily. So exercise has a lot of benefits. So it's reduce your frequent visiting to the doctor because of you fall ill. There is a probability that you will less fall ill when you exercise daily. So if you do not exercise, then probably you are spending more money on the medical bill. So you can keep a tab on the medical bill even if you just exercise daily. So exercise daily and keep tab on the medical expenses so that you can save the money. Hack number 12, dine out at culinary shop. So what is the culinary shop? So culinary shop is the shops that are made basically for the housing, that's household people that uh, sell the foods like restaurant, or they're called the mess, like people usually eat in the, there is a small, I think, cheap options available to buy the foods and to eat the foods there. So as compared to expensive hotels or restaurants that you, if you have the habit of dining out frequently, so try to go on the culinary shops or the mess. So these are the cheap option. You can have the quality foods over there. Also, you can save the lot of money if you go in the fancy restaurants or expensive hotels. Then as compared to culinary shop, you can save your lot of tons of money if you frequently dine out outside. So this is hack number 12. Hack number 13, drink water before eating. Yeah, so it is related to health as well as your saving. So if you have the thirst, then you treat as a thirst like hunger. So probably you can eat more excess than you required. So it is not also good for your health. So eat before, so drink water before eating. So what is the benefit of drinking water before eating? So you will take the food that is required for your body. So you do not take the excess food. So that is the benefit of drinking water before eating. So this 13 habits is very useful and you can easily apply. There is no much rocket science required for you to apply, and there is no much trouble. These are the very simple habits, but yes, these have the capacity to save a ton of money. You can never imagine. So thanks for watching.